Helo, ffrindiau. Hello, everyone. Hello, Pero. Sut wyt ti? This is Pero, our sheepdog. Shall we sing hello to Pero? Hello, Pero. Hello, Pero. Hello, Pero. Hello, a sut wyt ti? Da iawn heddiw? Be am ganu? Dyma ni mynd ar y motorbike. Dyma ni yn mynd ar y motorbike. Motorbike, motorbike. Dyma ni yn mynd ar y motorbike a chanu'r corn. Dyma ni yn mynd i weld y defaid, weld y defaid, weld y defaid. Dyma ni yn mynd i weld y defaid, me, 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 me. Oh, beth sydd yn y bag? What's in the bag? Be am ganu? Be sydd yn y bag? Be sydd yn y bag? Be sydd yn y bag? Dewch i ni gael gweld. Oh, let's have a look. Oh, oh, oh. There's a chicken here. Shall we sing? Chick, 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 chicken. Lay a little egg for me. Ah. Chick, 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 chicken. Lay a little egg for me. Cluck, cluck. Chick, 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 chicken. I want one for my tea. I haven't had an egg since breakfast, and now it's 3:30. So, chick, 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 chicken. Lay a little egg for me. Cluck, 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 cluck. Oh, be sy'n nesa yn y bag? Oh, be gawn ni wan? Oh, sbiwch be sy'n am yr un ceffil. Oh, sy'n ni ganu G ceffil bach yn cario ni'n dau dros y mynydd i hel ac nau. G ceffil bach yn cario ni'n dau dros y mynydd i hel ac nau. Dŵr yn yr afon a cerig yn slip, gwympo ni'n dau. Wel, dyna chi dryc. Oh, what else have we got here? Oh, we've got a pig. Shall we do this little piggy went to market? Have you got your hand ready? This little piggy went to market, and this little piggy stayed at home. And this little piggy had roast beef, and this little piggy had none. And this little piggy went wee all the way home. Oh, be arall sydd yn y bag? Oh, be sydd yna? Oh, we've got our dog as well as Pero. Shall we sing? How much is that dog in the window? The one with the waggly tail. How much is that dog in the window? Woof, woof. The one with the waggly tail. Woof, woof. How much is that dog in the window? Woof, woof. I do hope that dog is for sale. Oh, Pero is not for sale. No, sorry. Well, Be am ganu? Dewch am dro I fferm Antiglen. Dewch am dro I fferm Antiglen. Ia-ia-io. Ag ar y ffermau yna buwch. Ia-ia-io. Gyda mw fan hyn a mw fan draw. Mw ar bob llaw. Dewch am dro I fferm Antiglen. Ia-ia-io. Ag ar y ffermau ganddi bochyn. Ia-ia-io. Gyda soch fan hyn a soch fan draw. Soch, 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 soch ar bob llaw. Dewch am dro I fferm Antiglen. Ia-ia-io. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had the ducks. E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse. E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Well, it's time to go now. Amser mynd. Diolch am ddod I ar y fferm. Hwyl fawr. Bye bye everyone.